With ROS2 quickly becoming the standard and overcoming ROS1, it's time to learn how to use a robot arm with ROS2. But also is essential to understand how we're going to work in the next years, which is to understand that we'll have to work in hybrid systems, ROS1 and ROS2 at the same time. This is very important, especially in ROS-enabled hardware, which won't be updated at least in 2 or 3 years' time, or even never in some systems because they are already in public use and in production. We are going to walk you through the process of generating a ROS2 Move It package. Then we are going to teach you how to use it with C++ to move the robot arm around. Then we are going to teach you the perception that you need to detect objects in a surface and extract the positions of those objects. And finally, we will use everything we've taught you until now to then move the robot arm to the detected position and be able to grasp an object. You will learn all of this through hands-on experience in a simulation using Universal Robot Model 3E and examples and exercises to practice everything that you've been taught. Afterwards, you'll have to apply everything you've learned in a project that you'll do by yourself to be able to use Open Arm Manipulator to do exactly the same things that you did with Universal Robot. That is, generating a Move It package, move the robot around, and then do with perception the detection of objects in a scene and move the robot arm to that position.